CameronMarcoEkeiert. It takes 18 letters to spell. It's pronounced Cameron Marco Eckert. Not Eckert, not Eichert, but Eckert. That's my name, but who am I really? I'm an athlete, I'm a student, I'm an avid music listener, but most of all, I'm an individual in love with digital media and communication. Kiski Peggy Sue. Sounds like nonsense, but it's actually the moment that my life changed for the better. That wasn't the name of a girlfriend, or a dog, a band even. That was the first title of a video I ever made to YouTube, but I had no idea what I was actually starting. My passion slowly became an obsession over the years. As soon as there was a media class offered to me in middle school, I took it. In high school, I submerged myself in media, specifically video making. Over the years, I bettered myself through classes and individual works. I took intro to video production, worked with the news class, and later got into the advanced level of the course. I had begun to earn a reputation as the video guy in school. Whether it was a Spanish class, government, or video production, I was the one that people approached about making a video for class. As I wrapped up in high school, my mom pressured me to think about a career path and the possibility of college. It hit me that I was already doing something I loved. I wanted to make videos. I like the idea of video production because you can actually take a dream from your head and turn it into an authentic visual reality. I came to St. Vincent College and became a communication major. I continued to submerge myself with any opportunity I could. I picked up a graphic design minor in my junior year and quickly developed an interest for digital design. I flocked to any and every video or design class I could, even creating 2 independent study classes of my own. I started working as a video editor at the Fred Rogers Center, where I've been the last 3 years. I've also done animation work for the science department and worked as an intern under the campus media specialist. Over the years, I've designed websites, produced videos, took photos, and designed graphics. I've practiced creating media with products of a beginner, intermediate, and pro quality. I'm Cameron Eckert. That's who I've always been and who I always will be.